Esty here for my great challenge. Welcome back to my channel and my Christmas vlog 2019. In the last video you saw me put up this tree right here. Today I'm doing the buffet and I want to do my own Christmas wreath, which I think I do pretty much every year. I do something different. Keeping it simple but still very in the spirit of the holidays. Let me show you what I got this year for my wreath. So if you remember my fall decor, I had this thing here and I had put all sorts of fall foliage on it. I found it on the street. It's a regular twig, all real stuff. I think it's pretty old, I'm not sure, but anyway, I really like it. Now from the one I did in October, I kept these two, and I kept this and this and all of this white foliage here because I felt that I could, well, they're actually hydrangeas. I felt that I could reuse them for the winter. And I went to Michael's and I got two of these. These are faux, I don't even know what kind of tree they are. The name escapes me. Tria in French, but I can remember in English. Anyway, so I have two of those and they have like the little mini pine cones on it, and it doesn't say Ashland. No, I think that's the brand. Okay, and then I got two of these mini poinsettias. So let me get started, and it's gonna go over here on the mirror, and then I have to finish whatever else I'm doing here. This probably will go somewhere else. Okay, and I have that little wire thing I told you I was using for the ornaments. So the great thing about those four foliage is that you can cut them, you can do all sorts of things with them. So arborvitaes, I think is the name. I don't know, I can't remember. Okay, so I'm going to do pretty much the same thing I did with the other one, which was one this way, one that way. Let me go on this side so you can see what I'm doing. And you can cut those. So I'm gonna cut it right here. I'm not gonna say they're easy to cut, okay? You gotta bend them for a while, but eventually, here we go, got it. So same thing with this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it. There we go, and bend it a little bit. All right, so two.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace.
Okay, and here we go. Instant wreath, whatever you call it. You guys been correcting me for 6 years and I still don't know. So there you go. I think it looks really nice. It's very simple, very Christmassy. I can keep it all winter long actually. No glitter, nothing, just plain floral. That's it. So now I have to decide what's going to happen on this buffet. if you're like me and you have a lot of Christmas decor, don't feel obligated to put all of it out. Okay, really, you just switch things around. One you're this, one you're that, because then it becomes overwhelming. I want to do a little vignette over there, and the theme is white, red, and green. So I'm looking for things that are in that color. So I have those trees. Remember those? These were cheaper trees I got at I'm gonna say Walgreens. I think that's what it is. So I have 3 of those, and they're in different sizes. I have those little angels. There's one more somewhere that one of you sent me later on after Christmas. And this is just leftovers. I don't want to use that. Then I have these. I have this. And then I have this one. The snow globes, and they work on their own. Okay. I have this, which is going to go somewhere else. Obviously not here. I may keep it on the table. We'll see. Okay. I have this one here, which is one of my favorite, and I think it's going to go up here. It's a Santa mobile. Needs to be cleaned. You remember this from last year? I got that at the either a garage sale or Goodwill, one of those. Okay. Then I have a little bit of red foliage here, which I'm going to use. And then some leftover like this, so we can do a little add-on. Don't know what that is. We may use it. Okay, these are my Christmas nesting boxes. They were winter challenge. I don't know if I'm going to use them this year. It was part of a Goodwill challenge. Okay, then we have the little birdies. They definitely can fit that little decor. And then this little box that says Joy. It was $1.99 at Goodwill. I wonder if that was a Goodwill challenge too. I don't know if I'm going to use that this year. More of this. Something in here. Okay, the ornaments. Alright, and then we have the snowman. They go with me. Oh, he just lost his head. The head was always broken. Alright, that's it. So, let's go work on this and see what we can do.
Everything is calm, now it's midnight. Everybody's sleeping, all is peace. And I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking through a midnight wonderland. The wise men keeping watch, now it's midnight. And though it's cold outside, we're staying warm. And the star will always shine, it's the season for all time, walking in our midnight wonderland. The fuss and hustle of yesterday's gone. Now let us focus on the holidays, having fun, coming together with the family and friends. A gift that's heaven sent, it's heaven sent.
Case in point, don't think I'm putting them up this year. Next year, not this year. You see, you don't have to put your stuff up every year. So this goes. Okay. We'll use them next year. Okay, now I got this guy. He can go here. But I just don't like the background. So maybe this is what we'll do for that one. We'll use this for the background. Right? Can you see it? No, I feel like you can't see him at all now. Need some red. I don't know what to do. Alright, I don't think this needs to be here. This, I want to keep it here. I don't even know if I'm going to use this year. Or the birds. Let's take that off. I'm going to try to keep it simple. It doesn't have to be fussy. Okay. Yeah, let's keep this here. And I think that's about it. I don't really want to do much because I got guests, remember, so there's going to be stuff placed here. What about the angels? Hold on. 1, 2. I'll find the other one. It's got to be in another box. And then I have... I found it, yeah, I only got one candle left. So I'll have to go and get candles. Okay. I don't know where I'm going to get the little ones. I think I can find menorah candles. That probably would fit. Alright, I think I'm done. The only thing I'm going to put on the other side maybe is the nativity scene. So I just have my 3 little angels here, and then over here is my Santa mobile, and then the wreath, whatever, the crown is right here, and then this is my little winter vignette right here. Nothing fancy, just same colors, and it works. And over here there's nothing. It's probably going to be just the nativity scene, but I'm liking this. And this one lights up. This one is a music box. So for Christmas, actually, you know what? Let me turn it on and see if I need to change the batteries or not. Well, it looks like I used my brain last year. I actually removed the battery to make sure that it wouldn't corrode and damage it, so I'll have to replace it. But yeah, I think it's very pretty. What do you think? Comment down below. I'm pretty much done with this area. So that's it for the buffet this year, you guys. I'm keeping it really, really simple. You see that? Super simple. Just same color scheme. I'm telling you, I'm learning not to just throw all of my decor in one area, and I'm trying to keep some empty spaces in between. I put a gold charger. You see that? I have a whole bunch of those. And my angels are on it, and I think it's very pretty. And then this guy here, the Santa mobile, is on the other side, and over here is going to be my nativity scene, which I don't know where it is again. No, it's in a box downstairs. I just didn't bring all the boxes, and that's helping me kind of restricting myself as to how much stuff I'm gonna put up there. If I had brought in all the boxes, I would definitely have put everything up. All the decor would be up, and it would just be too much. But I'm trying to just, you know, again, restrict myself and limit the amount of visual, Christmas visual this year. So I'm really liking this. I think it looks super pretty.